Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset or hard reset a Sceptre monitor in 2026. Now, if your Sceptre monitor screen is freezing, not displaying properly, flickering or not responding to the buttons, a hard reset is usually the fix that you need. So first of all, you need to turn off the monitor using the power button. After that, you need to unplug the power cable from the back of the monitor. So once you do this, if your monitor is connected to computer or console, you can also unplug the HDMI or the display port cable as well. Now leave the monitor unplugged for 60 seconds, and this allow all the leftover power to drain completely. This is what makes it a hard reset. After 1 minute, simply plug the power cable back in, then reconnect the HDMI or the display cable. Now you need to simply turn the monitor on, and in some cases, or basically in most of the cases, the screen will return to normal. If the issue still continues, you can open the monitor menu using the physical buttons. Then you can just look for the reset option inside the settings. When you are able to find the reset option, simply confirm it. This also restores the default display settings. So this is how you can hard reset a Sceptre monitor in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.